Tracking ROI from your Outgrow campaigns is key to understanding how effective your efforts are and where to focus your resources. If you're wondering how to track that ROI efficiently with Outgrow, stick around because I'm about to break down exactly how you can do it quickly and effectively. Outgrow is a powerful platform that allows you to create interactive content like quizzes, calculators, surveys, and assessments. These tools are great for engaging your audience, collecting data, and generating leads. But the real question is, how do you know if all that effort is translating into real returns? First off, it's crucial to set clear, measurable goals before you dive into your campaign. Whether it's gathering leads, increasing conversions, or improving customer engagement, knowing your targets up front will allow you to measure ROI accurately. Without clear KPIs, tracking ROI can get messy fast. Once your goals are set, Outgrow makes it easy to track performance with built-in analytics. Outgrow allows you to track things like form submissions, email signups, and other important conversion metrics directly from the campaign dashboard. From there, you can assess how well your campaigns are performing in terms of meeting those goals. Another way to track ROI is by integrating Outgrow with Google Analytics. This integration allows you to track the performance of your interactive content in more detail. With Google Analytics, you can set up goals and conversions to measure things like the number of people who sign up, how many people click through to your website after taking a quiz, or how many users completed your calculator. With these insights, you can determine if your campaigns are providing a return that justifies your investment. To take things a step further, consider tracking the lifetime value of leads generated from your Outgrow campaigns. Outgrow provides features that help you segment users based on their responses, which can give you a clearer picture of how those leads are performing over time. If your leads are coming from high-converting segments, your ROI is higher. Another benefit of Outgrow's platform is its ability to track conversion rates from start to finish. You can measure how many visitors land on your content and how many convert to leads or customers. Knowing these numbers is critical in determining your ROI because it lets you see exactly how many people engaged with your content and ultimately became paying customers. But here's a little secret. Tracking ROI from Outgrow campaigns doesn't just stop with the numbers. You should also focus on qualitative data, like customer feedback and user sentiment. Outgrow allows you to gather data in real time, so you can easily ask for feedback from participants after they've completed your interactive content. This gives you deeper insights into how your campaign is resonating with your audience, which can provide valuable information for future campaigns. Now, you might be wondering, how do I optimize my Outgrow campaigns for better ROI? One key tip is personalization. Outgrow allows you to personalize your quizzes, calculators, and surveys based on user input, which boosts engagement. The more tailored your content, the better your results will be. Personalization can lead to higher conversion rates, which directly impacts ROI. And don't forget about the power of A/B testing. With Outgrow, you can test different versions of your interactive content to see which one performs best. A/B testing is a great way to refine your campaigns and ensure you're maximizing your ROI. As you start to track ROI, remember to monitor the cost of your campaigns. Outgrow offers competitive pricing, but it's essential to factor in how much you're spending on your campaigns versus the returns you're getting. Tracking your campaign costs is just as important as tracking the results. Lastly, if you're new to Outgrow and still getting the hang of it, I've got great news for you. You can actually try Outgrow completely free by using the link below, where you'll get an exclusive bonus to help you start tracking ROI faster. So, if you want to learn how to track ROI from your Outgrow campaigns and start maximizing your marketing efforts, make sure you hit that first link below for your extended free trial. This tool has been a game changer for businesses looking to engage their audience and see tangible returns. Remember, tracking ROI from Outgrow campaigns is all about setting clear goals, using built-in analytics, integrating with tools like Google Analytics, and constantly optimizing your content. Start using these strategies today and see how your campaigns perform.